Thanks for tuning in to see how I created this simple, inexpensive wall art decor. For this project, I utilized cardboard to create a circle and square, wooden craft sticks, mini paper square cutouts, silver spray paint, black acrylic paint, and paintbrushes, as well as a hot glue gun and glue sticks. The silver spray paint was utilized to cover the circle and the mini square cutouts. I then used the black paint to shade in all four corners of the mini square cutouts. As you can see, one of the squares was only shaded in two corners. I positioned the wooden craft sticks on the circle before securing them with hot glue. I then used hot glue to secure the mini cutouts to the craft sticks. I placed the silver mini cutouts on the opposite ends of the wooden craft sticks, and the mini cutout with the four shaded corners was placed in the middle. The cardboard square was painted black and allowed time to dry before adhering to the circle using hot glue. mini cutout with the two shaded corners was then adhered to the middle of the black cardboard. The wall art was then secured to the wall with double-sided tape. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.